Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, I welcome you all to the math class. Today, the day is Friday and it is 13th of August 2021. So before starting the class, please write the date and classwork in your copy and in your book. So this is the thought for the day today. The thought is very small, but it says a lot of things. Being kind is never wasted. Yes, children, I have been telling you that you should be very kind to each and every species, even small animals. Yes, so whenever you are kind to the other person or another animal, it is never been wasted. So children, always be kind. So children, let us see what we are going to do in today's class. So in today's class, children, we will do exercises from your Math Steps book. Okay, so get ready with your Math Steps book and copy. So you know that we are doing chapter 6 division. Yes, exercise. And in today's class, we will continue with exercise 38 and 39. Exercise 38 is in page number 98 and exercise 39 is in page number 102. So get ready with your book and copy. So let us first see what you are going to do from this exercise. We will not do all the exercise, children, because it will be very large, very much for you. Okay, because there are so many exercises from one chapter. So we will, in classwork, we will do 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A and 6A. And in homework, you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5B. All the B's you will do for your homework. Okay, so rest we are omitting from the class. Children, we are not doing in the class. That doesn't mean that you will not do in your not do by yourself also. If you have time and if you are interested in solving the division work, you can do it by yourself. Okay, but we are not doing C, D, E and F from all the numbers in the class. So children, we are also doing page number 39. So in page number 39 also, same goes with page number 39, exercise 39 also. So classwork we will do 1A to 6A and homework you will do 1B to 6B. Rest you can leave. But as I have already told, I have been telling you that if you are interested in solving the sums, you can do it for your own practice. Okay children, so let us proceed to our class. So children, this is exercise 38. Let me start with this exercise 38. So children, let me copy question number 1A. So you know that how you will start the chapter. You have to write classwork on the top of the page. You will write today's date. Today's date is, you will write today's date 13th of August 2021. You will write at the top of the page. Yes, in the right hand side you will write date, in the left hand side you will write classwork, in the middle of the page you will write exercise 38. So in this way you will start in a fresh page because it is a new exercise. So let us do 1A. 1A 4,824. You have to divide it with 2. So let us start our division work. So 2 is a divisor, we know, and dividend is 4,824. Yes, so let us start solving the problem. First we have to divide 4 in the thousand position. So 2, how many is a 4? We know that 2 2s are 4. 2 is the easiest table, you know. So you have to subtract after this. You know all these steps. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Now next what you are going to do? You are going to bring this 8 down. 2, how many is a 8? 2 4s are 8. Yes. Now next 8 minus 8 is 0. Next you will bring this 2 down. Now tell me 2, how many is a 2? Yes, 2 1s are 2. So 2 minus 2 is again 0. Now you will bring this 4 down. So 2 2s is 2 2s is 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So you can write in the next page, you can write the quotient and remainder. The quotient will be 2412 and the remainder is 0. So in this way you will solve number 1A. So 1B is your homework, children. So I will be solving 2A for you. So 2A is 2068 divided by 2. So let me do here 2A, 2068 divided by 2. So we will divide it with 2. 2068. Yes, we will divide first 2 in the thousand position. So 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So you will bring this 0 down. We know that we have to divide this 0 also. So 2 how many is are 0? 2 zeros are 0. Yes, there is 0 in 100 position, but you shouldn't leave 0. So this 6 will come down next. 2 how many is are 6? 2 3s are 6. Yes, so 6 minus 6 again 0. Now you will bring this 8 down. 2 how many is are 8? 2 4s is 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Yes, so what is the quotient and remainder over here? The quotient is 1034 and the remainder is 0. Okay, remainder is 0. So in the same manner, children, we will do number 3A also. 3A is 6008 divided by 2. So 3A, 6008 divided by 2. That means there are 2 zeros in hundreds and tens position. So 6008 is a dividend, so I will write in the middle. 2 is a divisor and I will leave a space for question. So the first number in the thousand position is 6. 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. We will bring this 0 down. We know that 2 zeros are 0. Yes, 2 zeros are 0. So you will write 0. So 0 minus 0, 0. Again this 0 will come down. Again you will divide 0 with 2. So 2 again zeros are 0. So your answer is 0 minus 0, 0. And finally we will bring this 8 down. So 2 4s are 8. So children, 8 minus 8 is 0. So from this sum you understood that if there is 0, we have to divide that 0 too. We can't leave that 0 like that only. We have to divide it with 0 only, with the dividend, and we will get 0 as a quotient. So quotient is 3004 and remainder is 0. So hope you got some idea, yes, how you have to do. Now children, I have done 3 sums, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A. We will solve in the class. Okay, 6A we will solve in the class. 4A, 5A, 6A we will solve in the class. And 1B to 6B is your home assignment, your homework. Let me write here. Your homework is 1B to 6B. This is your home assignment. Okay, so let us move to the next exercise, children. So next exercise also you have to divide using the table. So let me write the exercise here. Exercise, this is 39. So 1A to 6A we will be doing in the class. So let me do 1A, 5 divided by 2. So you know that 5 is not directly divided by 2. Yes, so 5 divided by 2. So we will take the table of 2 that will be very near to 5. We will take the multiple of 2. So that will be near and smaller than 5. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 is greater than 5. So what we will take? We will take 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So you can write the answer. Your quotient here is 2 and the remainder here is 1. Very good. So this is 1A I have done. Now I will do here 2A. 2A. 1B you will do it yourself for your homework. 8 divided by 5. So 5 is a divisor here. 8 is a dividend here. Yes. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10, which is greater than 8. So we will take just the multiple of 5 1s are 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So what you will write here? You will write quotient equals to 1 and remainder equals to 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now let me do 3A, children. Let me do 3A. Okay, let me erase this one first. Let me do 3A. So the question is 3A is 469 divided by 2. 469 divided by 2. So we will write 2 as a divisor, 469 as a dividend. So 4, you can see there is 4 in hundreds place. So 2 2s are 4, which is directly divisible. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. We will bring this 6 down. 6 is also directly divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6. Yes. So 6 minus 6 is again 0. Now we will bring this 9 down. So 2, we know that 9 is not directly divisible by 2. So we will take a number multiple of 2 that is very near and smaller than 9. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 is larger than 9. So we will write 2 4s are 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay. So the children here the quotient and remainder, what did you get the quotient? Quotient is 234, that is 234, and the remainder is 1. Okay. Now I will do 4A for you. 4A is 405 divided by 2. The question is 405 divided by 2. That means 2 is a divisor and 405 is a dividend. So we can see that the first number can be directly divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4. Subtract 4 by 4, you will get 0. We will bring this 0 down. 2 zeros are 0. Again subtract it. 0 minus 0, 0. You will bring this 5 down. 2 how many is a 5? It is not directly divisible. Yes. So we will take 2 2s are 4 because 2 3s are 6 is greater than 5. So 2 2s are 4. The remainder is 1. So children, we got our quotient and remainder. The quotient is 202 and the remainder is 1. So children, in this way I have solved till 4A, 5A and 6A. I will solve in the class. Don't worry. Your homework, let me write your home assignment. You know what is home assignment. It's written here also. Your home assignment is to solve from 1B to 6B. Hope you all are clear what we did in today's class. Here also you can see your home assignment. So I will see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, watch the full video. Thank you everyone.